let's put this bad boy together. We got the sausage all cooked up. We've got the Brussels sprouts cut and cooked up and glazed a little bit. And we've got some garlic in there. Now we're gonna put it in a pie pan. And I'm gonna add some other ingredients to it, and I'm gonna put it on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then you and I are going to sit and eat. Woo, I can't wait. All right, so it's just easier to put it down on this so you guys can see it. I hope you can see it. All right, so I'm gonna put 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream just all over the top of it, just for the moisture. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. And I'm going to add a teaspoon and about a half of Old Bay seasoning. I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. You guys can do this to your taste if you like. I like a little bit of spice in my life, so I'm going to do some red pepper flakes, probably about a half of a teaspoon of it. And then I've got a cup of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put over the top of this. Just put that all over. It'll just melt right down into this. Oh, it's so good. You guys are going to love this. I know it's St. Patty's Day here, so I got my green on, and I thought Brussels sprouts. I didn't have any corned beef, but Brussels sprouts, cabbage, they're so good. So it just kind of is the season. Here's Parmesan cheese. I got a cup of that as well. So I'm spreading that all over the top. Just like that. Oh my gosh, this is just gonna be so good. I can't wait to share it with you guys. And if you guys, if it's getting to be time for your meal, grab yourself something, and if you've got yourself some corned beef and cabbage, get it ready and sit down with me and enjoy this meal. Now for all you guys, this could be the end of it. Put it in the oven 400 degrees for 30 minutes, but I made focaccia bread a few days ago, and then keto focaccia bread, and I had leftover. So what I did is I took them and I made my croutons. And my recipe book actually has this recipe in it. They are so good for salads and Caesar salads. I like to put these on. I'm putting them on in the beginning and they may burn, but you can put them on like 10 minutes before you get your Brussels sprouts done, and then they'll just be nice and crispy, but we'll see what happens here. I'm kind of being lazy, so. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for you to try it with me. Hey everybody, happy St. Patty's Day. And today, you saw me make this amazing dish here. It's still kind of hot, but it is Brussels sprouts and sausage, beef sausage. It has mozzarella cheese in it. It has Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, garlic, and a bunch of seasonings with some focaccia croutons that I made, keto focaccia croutons. So I just wanted to tell everybody happy Patty's Day. Wearing green. I wanted to do this because this has been one of my favorite go-tos, and I just wanted to try it with you. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So I've got pieces I cut into 4s of Brussels sprouts. Being St. Patty's Day, I thought it might be, oh, it's hot. Might be kind of fun to do something, you know, cabbage is kind of a big deal. And so if it's time for you to sit and have something to eat, sit and have something to eat with me. I just want to go over this. This is a recipe that I use quite often, and it is so good. Unfortunately, My husband does not like Brussels sprouts, so I thought today is a long day at work for him. So I am thoroughly enjoying this. So this will be like 4 meals for me. But it's so good. That buzzing sound that you hear in the background, I just turned my oven off, and so it has one of those fans, and that fan just buzzes until it doesn't buzz anymore. Anyway, so I just wanted to sit and have a yummy meal and say happy Patty's Day again for probably the 3rd time. But give you an idea maybe what to make. I didn't have corned beef, so I just decided I had some beef sausage that I love kind of almost as much as corned beef. And if you guys know me well, you know that I don't like to waste food, so I am the leftover queen. I can take things and mix and match. So I'd had these croutons that I made the other day from focaccia bread. I had some left over, and so I decided that I would crumble them up and bake them a little bit. I would, see, my croutons got kind of brown, so almost black. So I would recommend that when you guys, if you do this recipe, so crunchy, that you wait, because it goes in the oven for about 30 minutes, but if you wait till like the last 10 minutes or 5 minutes, even 5, because what I found with these is, like I'm tasting right now, if you get these, if you put them on too soon, they start tasting chalky because they're not made with regular flour, they're made with almond flour. They're crunchy, but they're starting to get a little bit of a chalky taste. So if you do it the last 5 minutes before this is done, I promise you they'll taste a lot better. So I haven't been on here for quite a while. I've had some health issues and some things going on. I've been trying to get back in shape. I gotta show this to you again. If you can see the creaminess in the bottom of all the cheese, it just melts down around that Brussels sprouts, and I cut them into the Brussels sprouts and the sausage into bite-sized pieces so that it's just perfect. Every bite is perfect. But I kind of have been just on the fence about what to do with this channel. Excuse me, it's hot. So I'm just being really light with it now. So I've had time to work on my cookbook. I have a cookbook coming out. I'm so excited about it. It will probably be about another week, but I'm doing a pre-launch on it, and so I'll let you guys know more information about that and all the wonderful recipes. So I decided starting that way, I have a lot of the recipes that I'm gonna just make and eat with you guys. And my sister will be on from time to time and have some guests. I'm lucky enough to have my sister be around me now. And so that's been really nice. But I needed to get back into this. I miss doing the videos, and I love cooking anyway, and I cook every day. So why in the world am I not making this for everybody? I think it's important, and it's fun, and I love fun. But if you guys like Brussels sprouts, this is my daughter's favorite. She loves Brussels sprouts. She begs me to make Brussels sprouts every time I make a big dinner for everybody. It's funny because when I seem to do these videos, I always get like the UPS guy, or the mailman needs to bring something to the door. It's pretty hilarious. But anyway, life happens. This is kind of a challenging time for a lot of people. I know a lot of people are home. And so I'm going to really do my best at making some of these, and just cheering somebody up just to sit and eat with them is kind of my motto with this, and enjoy amazing recipes. And hopefully, for you guys, if you're doing keto or low, low carb. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. That's, you know, that's the biggest thing, is just run out of ideas. Oh, look at that cheese. I guess I could call this a mukbang, but there's no way in the world I'm going to eat all that. Not today, not on this video. So, but I will eat with you and talk with you just a little bit longer until I get full. And then we'll do it again another day. So like I said, I haven't been on here in a while. Hope everything's good with all you guys. I also want to let you know that I'm open to, you know, if you have a recipe you'd like me to make and sit and eat in front of you, if you have a recipe that, you know, I've been converting recipes for quite a long time now. So if you have a recipe that you love, that's a family recipe that maybe you are doing low carb or keto, so send it in. Let me play with it a little bit, and I'll give you a shout out if I make your recipe and we try it, and who knows, might be a huge hit, and plus it'll help you maybe convert it over. I'm having a hard time just stopping with this. This is really addicting. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like the cheese just pulls from it. And it's just so nice. See how that cheese just is falling off of there? So good. Really, really good. So I hope you guys are keeping yourself safe. Hope you guys are staying indoors and staying away from people right now. This is really important. And just stay healthy, everybody, and have some good food. Enjoy your families right now. This is a time of everybody needing to be together. Read a good book. When's the last time we had time to read a book? And take care of yourselves. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful St. Paddy's Day. Cheers to each and every one of you. And until next time, you guys, if you're not a subscriber, please do. Please subscribe to my channel. Look down below for the pre-launch link for my brand new cookbook coming out with all these amazing recipes in them. And if you don't want to miss one of my videos, hit the little bell above, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you again next time with a brand new recipe. Some fun-loving things. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.